On August 2, Mr. Edric Calma, the Director of Operations of Knowledge Channel Foundation Incorporated, KCFI, captivates the audience at the STARBOOKS Stakeholders Convention held at the St. Louis University, Navy Base Campus, Baguio City. Mr. Calma's keynote address titled Education, Resiliency with Growth Mindset and Knowledge Channel Resources struck a chord with the 280 stakeholders, including the representatives of public and private schools within Cordillera Administrative Region and Region 3. He emphasized the need for a resilient education system, which could be possible by systematic preparation of children early on through a responsive ECD program for 0 to 8 years old, and an equally responsive quality education and teaching of life skills thereafter. Teaching and practicing of growth mindset by teachers, parents, and learners, and use of media and technology, specifically the Knowledge Channel learning resources in a constructivist learning environment. Drawing attention to the glaring assessments on the nation's educational situation, Mr. Calma also highlighted KCFI's initiatives to tackle the learning crisis in the country head-on. Among the presented groundbreaking tools in KCFI's arsenal are the engaging videos and interactive games designed to ignite the spark of curiosity and foster the love for learning in young minds. He further underscored the significance of quality education and how KCFI's curriculum-based contents aligned with the Department of Education standards. For more information, visit www.knowledgechannel.org.